Now I am going to discuss about the modern physics part 2, in which we are in previous video we see the Schrodinger wave equation, time dependent Schrodinger wave equation. Now in this video we see the time independent Schrodinger wave equation in modern physics. The derivation of Schrodinger wave equation, the time independent Schrodinger equation. The time independent Schrodinger equation for one dimension is of the form psi of xt is equal to mu of x into t of t. Plug this or put up this value in the Schrodinger equation so that we get the following equation. Now put everything that dependent on the left and everything that depend on the right side, so that the equation we get the minus s square del square mu of x divided by 2m del x square plus v of x into mu of x whole divided by mu of x is equal to ih del t divided by del t of t divided by t of small t is equal to constant means E, means this equation considered as equal to E. Since we have the function of only set equal to the function of only, then both must equal a constant in the equation above. We call the constant. With some knowledge of the outcome, we now have an equation in equal to the constant, so that the IH into del t of t divided by del small t is equal to capital E into t of t. We know that the value of the capital E is equal to the constant, which has a simple general solution. The capital T of t is equal to c e raised to I of et divided by h, and an equation in set equal to the constant, so that the minus s square del square mu of x divided by 2m del x square plus v of x into mu of x is equal to E mu of x. So the next value is the minus s square del square mu of x divided by 2m del x square plus v of x into mu of x is equal to E mu of x, which depends on the problem to solve through the v of x. The equation is often called the time independent Schrodinger equation, so that the final equation of the time independent Schrodinger equation is equal to minus s square del square mu of x divided by 2m del x square plus v of x into mu of x is equal to E of E into mu of x. This is the formula for the time independent Schrodinger equation. Now the value of equation. The E of psi into xt is equal to minus s square 2m del square psi divided by del x square plus v of x into psi of xt. The above expression can be written as, means this is also right like this one. Then already known the energy wave of the matter with written as is equal to E is equal to h w, so that we can say that the E psi of xt is equal to h omega divided by minus I omega into psi of xt. Now combining the right part, we can get the Schrodinger wave equation. This is the Schrodinger wave equation, and these were the derivation of Schrodinger wave equation time dependent. Now the important characteristics of wave function or the significance of wave function. The wave function should be normalized, that is, it should satisfy the following condition: integration minus infinity to infinity psi of x square del x into dy into dz is equal to 1. Second one is wave function should be finite. The infinity probability has no meaning. Third, it should have a single value, as at particular point the probability can have only one value. It must be a finite everywhere. If the psi is infinite or a particular point, for a particular point, it means an infinite large probability of finding the particles at that point. This would violate the uncertainty principle. It must be a single value. If the psi has more than one value at any point, it means more than one value or the probability of finding the particles at that point, which is obviously ridiculous. Next, it must be continuous and have a condition first derivative everywhere. Del psi upon del x, del psi upon del y and del psi upon del z must be the continuous. Next, it must be a normalization. Hope so you understand all these points. Thank you.